Remember, remember the 5th of November.
Yes, remember, remember the 5th of November.
Remember, remember the 5th of November.
Okay, so welcome to English with Tom. Today we're looking at storytelling again, this time poetry and some pronunciation work around that. And the topic is the gunpowder plot. So first, what is the gunpowder plot? Have a look at these pictures. Do you recognize them? What can you see? Where is it? Who's that? Any idea? Okay, you may have recognized the building on the left. That is the houses. They are the Houses of Parliament. So it's the government building in London, UK. You recognize the tower there, Big Ben, very famous building. And who's that guy? Well, he is Guy Fawkes, Guido Fawkes, also known as Guy Fawkes. And he tried to do something he shouldn't at the Houses of Parliament. What did he try and do? Let's see. Okay, first, before we find out, here's some quick vocabulary. Pause the video and can you match those up? Okay, let's check the answers. So, gunpowder. Yes, gunpowder is the black powder that lights up, that sets on fire, that explodes in things like fireworks, bombs, bullets. Treason is a crime against your country or against the king, for example. A plot is a secret plan, a secret plot. Blow up. Another word for blow up is to explode. And reason is the cause for something. For example, why are you studying English? To pass the test. That's the reason. Okay, so let's read about the gunpowder plot. Pause the video, read this. Okay, the gunpowder plot was an attempt for religious reasons to kill King James VI of England. The plan was to blow up Parliament on the 5th of November, 1605. Guy Fawkes was caught and arrested for treason. So yeah, so a long time ago, 400 years ago, yes, Guy Fawkes and others tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament and kill the king because of religious reasons. The Church of England, Catholic religion, English, British history has lots of problems about this. So that's what happened. Okay, so there is a famous poem, a well-known poem about this event called Remember, Remember the 5th of November. So we're going to listen to that today. And the pronunciation skill is rhyming. Rhyming. So rhyming is the repetition of similar sounds or the same sounds at the end of lines of poetry and music. So for example, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Star, are. So they rhyme. Just have a quick pause the video. Think about some of your favorite songs in English or poems or nursery rhymes. Can you think of any rhyming lines, any lines that rhyme? Okay. So let's listen to the poem. And without looking at the words, can you listen carefully and then write down, make a note of any words that you hear that rhyme. Okay, we'll listen twice. Let's go.
Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
Okay, good. Okay, one more time.
Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
Okay, did you pick out any words? Did you hear any rhyming words? Let's check. Okay, remember and November, they both rhyme. Plot, forgot, rhyme. Treason, reason and treason, they also rhyme. Okay, great. Okay, let's listen again and follow along with the words of the poem. Okay, ready?
Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
Okay. Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Okay, there you go. So you can see how words rhyme, especially in songs and poems. Okay, so that last line, it should never be forgot, and it isn't. So every year around the 5th of November in the UK, we have Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night. So we make a bonfire and we put on the bonfire a fake Guy Fawkes, and there are fireworks, and people eat food like toffee apples, candy apples, if you're studying American English. Yes. So this is just Google the 5th of November and you can see all the pictures. Looks fun. It is fun. Okay. So just lastly, this type of rhyming is very common in some poems, children's poems, and other kinds of poems too. AABCCB. So remember, November, plot, reason, treason, forgot. Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. So this is a common way of structuring poems. Here are some other examples. You can Google those. I'm sure on YouTube you can find examples of the AABCCB rhyming within poetry. So Little Miss Muffet, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, Little Jack Horner, and Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came stumbling after. There you go. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much. If you're interested in storytelling and also cultural things, then check out the Halloween video. And apart from that, all right, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye.